Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac. This is gonna be a super short video today. We just got in the blade and the bolt extractor in order to get the bolt that I broke out. So this is gonna be interesting because you should never ever trust me with a saw blade, but it'll be fine, right? And that's all we're doing this video because we just got it and I just need to get it out so that way we can figure out what's next. So let's get to it. All right, wish me luck because yeah. All right, it's out. I don't know how we're gonna get this out. Mainly this back one. How the hell do you get to it to get it extracted? So, but we got an extractor kit, so let's figure out how to do it. All right, so we're gonna try to get the other side off. Off. Okay. Why was that wrong? I know it was wrong, but why? That was a two-person job. Jody took the sledgehammer and whacked it while I held it down with the crowbar. So it's out. It's out and heavy. So now we got to get this bolt out. We got to use the extractor. I'm not really sure exactly how this is going to work because it's behind this. So I'm gonna go look at the kit and we'll see what happens. All right, we're gonna drill a hole about this deep into the bolt to put the extractor into. Wish me luck. Gotta make sure you're centered, which is my problem. But we're gonna go through this hole. Oh, but it's long enough. I don't know about being perpendicular with the thing. Well, I got it. I just pushed it out. Where did it go though? So fun fact, the nut clip was not welded to the frame like we thought. We tried to get it out. It didn't come out, so I might have a new home in there. We'll see. We got the springs out on both sides because that let off the rest of the tension. So everything's now out of the front. So next time you should see us putting the front back together. If you know how to get that nut clip out, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.